today I'm at EA Performance and you can see all kinds of fantastic cars. We're just walking in, so there will be a lot of eye candy. This is a Jag, the unbelievable amount of cars, and so many Porsches, so many Ferraris, unbelievable. And I believe I did see a 280, all 280 SL. It's near and dear to my heart. That one, there we go. This is a beautiful 280 SL. Absolutely beautiful. 280 SL. Gorgeous.
It's straight too, eh?
Yes, it's a, yep. And it has the Vicar, the original radio. Everything is original. I have a 450 SL.
You have a which?
450 SL. It's a 1980. This is from either 60s.
Did they come with the smaller bumpers?
The bigger bumpers.
Yeah, but not like the other ones. Some of them had really deep bumpers. These ones had shorter
bumpers. Yes.
Yeah, I like that car. It's a great car.
Absolutely beautiful car.
It's one of my favorites of all time.
What
love went into it, I'll tell you, and money.
What year is this one?
69.
69.
Yeah.
69.
Have you had this for a long time?
A little more than 10 years.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
69.
Yeah, this 280 SL is probably pretty close to my favorite car of all time.
You know what? It has that certain kind of design, and whether it's 230 or 250, I mean, they're just different. You know,
but it's iconic, right? I mean, it just there's nowhere.
Mechanical fuel injection. Yes. Okay.
Straight six.
2.8.
2.8.
Yeah.
95 horsepower.
La cinta. Sí, sí.
The only problem is you can't drive it. I just take it out once a week. I'll go up north and just go the back road. So
No, it's that car.
Oh, this is amazing.